In the latest major shakeup of its military command structure, Russia appointed Valery Gerasimov, Chief of the General Staff, as its overall commander for the war in Ukraine. Since the war began in Ukraine last year in February, Russia has witnessed several major shakeup of Moscow's military leadership. In a statement on Wednesday, the Defense Ministry said that Gerasimov's appointment constituted a raising of the status of the leadership of the military force in Ukraine and was implemented to improve the quality and effectiveness of the management of Russian forces. The move not only made Gerasimov directly accountable for the fate of the campaign, but also in effect demoted General Sergei Surovikin, nicknamed General Armageddon, by the Russian media for his reputed ruthlessness. General Armageddon was appointed as the overall commander of the army in October, but would now stay on as a deputy of Gerasimov, the defense ministry said. Gerasimov, like the defense minister Sergei Shoigu, has faced sharp criticism from Russia's hawkish military bloggers for multiple setbacks on the battlefield and Moscow's failure to secure victory in a campaign the Kremlin had expected to take just a short time. The latest change in leadership comes amid ongoing tensions between senior figures in charge of Russia's war in Ukraine. The reshuffle, which was formally ordered by Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu, clearly came on Russian President Vladimir Putin's approval, signaling that he still has trust in his top military leaders who have faced broad criticism for the troops' performance in the conflict. It also suggests a recognition of flaws in carrying out what Putin called the special military operation in Ukraine. While announcing Gerasimov's appointment, the Defense Ministry said that it was aimed at improving the coordination between various forces fighting in Ukraine. Raising the level of leadership of the special military operation is linked to the expansion of the scale of the tasks being fulfilled as part of it and the need to organize closer interaction between branches of the military and to increase the quality of supplies and the efficiency of directing groups of forces, the Defense Ministry said in the statement. On Tuesday evening, the head of Russia's Wagner mercenary group, Yevgeny Prigozhin, lashed out against the country's defense ministry, boasting that his combat experience was in many ways significantly superior to those who have been in the service of the Ministry of Defense for decades. Prigozhin, who has previously criticized Gerasimov and Shoigu, made the statements as he claimed that his Wagner army had taken control of the small salt mining town of Soledar. But both the Russian Defense Ministry and the Ukrainian commanders contradicted those claims on Wednesday, saying that combat continued in Soledar and that the town had not yet fallen. The Russian ministry also said that its own troops were fighting there. Starting with the failed attempt to seize Kyiv in a lightning assault in February and March, the Russian war efforts has been marked by missteps, reversals and heavy casualties. It shifted to a slow, grinding offensive concentrating on the eastern Donbass that succeeded in capturing several cities at high cost but then stalled. Then in late summer came a swift Ukrainian counteroffensive that claimed a significant amount of occupied territory and forced a chaotic Russian retreat from the northeastern Kharkiv region.